Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and if you are not already, I would love to have you as one of my brand new subscribers here on my channel. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers here on my channel, and for that, there is going to be a planner room reveal. I am so excited. This is something that I have been waiting to film and show you guys, but I've been waiting for the perfect time. So please make sure that you are subscribed so that you do not miss when that video comes out. Onto this video. This is me decorating in my classic dashboard planner, which I use for social media. I am using the Fall 514 sticker book, and I'm using really just these two pages that have like the skulls and those little like banners and spiders, and then a little bit of candy. Really focusing on orange and purple, which is why I put that washi up at the top. I thought that was a really good combination for Halloween especially. So I use my social media planner on the right side, where on each of the days I put the posts that I'm going to do per day. So I like to do 2 Instagram posts per day. And then in the top left corner, I put each of the videos, either one or more videos every single day on my YouTube channel. Then on the left side, I put my to-do list and then post ideas and reel ideas, just like a running list in case I need any inspiration or I guess, a place where I can jot things down. And then I also, if you see right here, I could not find just a standard orange box. I use so many colorful boxes stickers, and I guess I've really used all my orange ones. So I took it upon myself to draw my own, which actually worked out really well. I feel like I don't even really notice that it's drawn instead of a sticker. So I have no problem with that. I use a small sticker each week to write out just a small goal that I have for the week as far as Instagram followers and then YouTube subscribers. So for instance, let's say I have 900 YouTube subscribers. Maybe I'll say this week I want to get to 915. So I just want to get 15 new subscribers this week or something like that. So I really just like to set goals for myself just in general. So I like to do that for both of those big accounts that I pour my heart and soul in. Then I'm also using a few of these purple foil quote stickers, and they also come out of the Fall 514 book. I really am obsessed with the font, and the fact that it's purple foil, I think is really rare. So I was excited to mix that into the pages. This is my what was just in the frame was my build your own sticker book. Specifically the words one. I had a ton of sheets that were all words, and I was so excited when the Happy Planner came out with build your own sticker books because I knew exactly what I wanted to do. I have one for words, one for colorful boxes, and one for icons. And that words one is most of the time the number one that I reach for all the time. I love the words that say to do or reminder or canceled or appointment. Like I love it. I wish I could personally write that way. So anyways, okay. The rest of the stickers are a little bit of decorations and then a few boxes on Monday and Thursday so I can write out specific to-dos for the week. But other than that, this is pretty much it. I'm really happy with the way that it turned out. Both of the spreads this week in my social and my vertical turned out so much fun. I love decorating for a major holiday. So I'm super, super excited for this week. We have friends coming into town. It's just going to be really, really fun. So make sure you are subscribed. I have a lot of videos planned for this week. And please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.